Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. In today's video, I am going to show you how to seamlessly transfer your HubSpot contacts into ClickUp. This integration is perfect for keeping your project management and CRM tools in sync, making it easier to manage your contacts and tasks. So let's jump right in. First, log into your HubSpot account and navigate to your contacts. To export your contacts, click on the Actions button located in the top right corner, then select Export. Next, open ClickUp and log into your account. Head over to the People section or go to the specific workspace where you want to import the contacts. Look for the Import option, which is typically found in the Settings menu. Click on it and select the CSV file you just exported from HubSpot. ClickUp will prompt you to map the fields from your HubSpot CSV file to the corresponding fields in ClickUp. This step is crucial to ensure that all the information transfers over correctly. And that is how you transfer your HubSpot contacts to ClickUp. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.